Yo guys, welcome to another wonderful video that will help you create more wealth. Okay, creating wealth is very simple. The only thing is that who is your coach, who is coaching you? Okay, let me be one of them. Okay, and I talked about this mini BTC months ago. I talked about it, and a lot of people have queued in to make this particular wealth I'm talking about, and you can still be part of this wealth. Okay, and this token is going to be listed on PancakeSwap. Okay, and that's the reason why you should queue in now and get your own mini BTC. And 15 mini BTC now is up to $100, so that's the reason why you should queue in now to make this wealth. Okay, let's do this together. And I'm going to teach you from the scratch on how you can do yours again, because I believe that a lot of people don't know what MiniBtc is all about. So I'm going to start afresh so that you can learn and earn. So I talked about this MiniBtc. Okay, I'm going to talk about it again. And another update that I'm going to drop, that if you join me from beginning to the end of this video, there's another update that I want to drop. Okay, and that update, you need to get ready for that, because I told you that we came prepared. So don't waste no time. Okay, I don't charge any money for me to guide you on how you can create wealth coming this bull run. So you have no excuses. This is time to make that money. This is time to make that money. So let's go to our Telegram channel. That's where we are going to get this link, the particular link that we use to claim this. And I want to tell you guys something. Don't joke with the update that I'm dropping right now. Don't joke with all those updates that I keep dropping. Just starting from this place, don't joke with all these updates. Don't joke with these updates. So what's another thing you must do? Okay, the another thing you must do in order to queue in and be well prepared is come to this place. You can see where it says subscribe. Click on this subscribe, then come to this particular one, click on this notification and turn it off to all. That's very simple. Then let's go and get the link. Okay, the link is going to be in the description of this video that I'm creating now, or you go to our WhatsApp or our Telegram. Make sure that you are in any of all these ones that I'm talking. Make sure that you are in any of them. Reason is because there are sometimes that I got information or update on time and I won't be able to come here and drop it here. So what I normally do is to drop it in my group, so that my community will benefit from it. So I want you to be the part of this community from now. Okay, and if you have done that, just come to the comment below and say done. Thank you. Let's go. So we are going to copy this particular one. This is the mini BTC. So copied. You can see what I did. You use the link in the description to come to this place. You can see what I did. You use the link in the description, it will get you here. You come and copy this link here. Copy it. You can see it there. This is the website. Make sure that you follow me step by step. Don't make any mistake. So after that, the next thing now is to head to our trust wallet. Okay, let's go to our trust wallet. And before then, I'm going to show you something. This is MiniBtc official Telegram channel. You can see what they have posted yesterday. Preparation are cooking, ready for launch. This is it. That was on 7th of December. You can see that was yesterday. And this is to tell you that you need to get in. You need to get in on time so that you will understand what is happening. Okay, there's a lot of things happening on this online space that you don't know. That's why you need to follow me step by step so that we can claim this and make more money. So getting $100 just like that is something that you should be proud of. Okay, so guys, before we proceed, I want to show you something. Let's go to the downside of this. You can see here that MiniBtc, this is it, so that whenever I'm doing, you will understand what you are doing. You can see that I have 2045. You can see it here, 2045, and take note of this because I'm going to claim more so that you can see that the number will increase. So what I will do right now is very simple. I'm going to come to this place, this browser. Okay, so once I click on browser, I'm going to come to this search here and paste the link that we copied. Okay, and after that, the next thing is to click on search. Remember, so you can see that this is MiniBitcoin. Okay, and it's nearly here. You can see, come and read everything because we have been doing this since we started talking about this airdrop. Okay, so you can come here and see that the airdrop and pre-sale will go live in 6 days, 16 hours, 14 minutes and 1 second. You can see it here. So this is the token, okay, the 50 mini Bitcoin, okay, that you will claim, okay, mini BTC. So how will you claim this? First of all, what you need to do before you do anything here is to come to this three line here. Once you click on that three line, you can see that the EVM chain is on Ethereum. So how do you change this to BNB? Because this token is being built on BNB smart chain. So you click on this BNB. So you click on that to get you here. You can see different chain here, and the one that you are going to make use of is this first one, which is BNB. Okay, so you come and click on this again. You can see that it has already been on BNB smart chain. But if you are new, you are going to see something pop up and you connect it back to your BNB smart chain. Just click on this place first before you proceed. So after connecting, the next thing is to join their Telegram channel. Okay, you can join their Telegram channel. You can also join, you can claim the airdrop here, then you can buy the pre-sale. I did both of them. I buy the pre-sale and I also claim the airdrop. And today's video I'm going to claim. Okay, so you click on this. Let's just come to this claim here. So once you come to this claim, you will come to this claim mini BTC here. You can see it here. So once you click drop, so you click on this, and once you click on this, you allow it to load. It's going to load like this. You can see that the amount that I'm going to pay is, the total here is 4.74. Okay, that's the amount that I'm going to pay in order to, and this money is for gas fee. Okay, so I'm going to pay this for gas fee by clicking on this approve. So I'm going to enter my password. So you can see claim success. So you can see claim success, 50 mini BTC sent to your wallet. Okay, this is how to do that. So you can see that if you want to make more money, what you will do is to come to this pre-sale. Okay, this is the pre-sale. You can see join the pre-sale, and 0.1 is the amount that you use to join the pre-sale, and that 0.1 should be $21, right? So you are going to get this 250 mini BTC for that pre-sale. That's $250. So that should be 250. Okay, you are going to get 250 for the pre-sale, and getting this 250 automatically make you $500 when this token is being listed. Okay, according to what they have said, because they said that they are going to list this coin with $2 per a token. Okay, so you come to this place, you can see get referral. Go and copy your BNB smart chain address. So once you copy it, paste it here and click on get link, then copy it and share it with your friends so that you can get 30% BNB plus 70% mini Bitcoin. Okay, that's because I love you guys. I must tell you things that is happening. So you come to this place, you can see where they say that 1 mini BTC equals to $2. Okay, listing price, that's that. And you come to this place and you're going to copy the contract address by touching this place and copy the contract address. Simple. So after that, you are going to add this to our trust wallet. If you haven't done that, I'm going to share with you how you can add it to your trust wallet. So I'm going back. You can buy the pre-sale. If you have the money, you can go and purchase the pre-sale. So what you are going to do is, once you are here and you haven't added your own, okay, so before there, let me click on this place to check whether the money have arrived. You can see that the one that I have before is 2045 mini BTC. So I click on this, so you can see that it has increased. That's 2095. You can see it here. So that's that. Like, let's just say that I have this 2090. Let's just say that I have this 2095 here. Okay, let's just say that I have it. So I'm coming back to tell you, or for us to calculate the amount that I'm going to make here. But before then, let's just add this token. Okay, so I click on this manage crypto, then I come to this place and paste the address that we copied from the website. Okay, so after copying it, you can see that nothing to show here. Don't worry, what you will do is to click on this particular one. So once you click on this, you can see that it's in Ethereum chain. Change this to BNB chain. Okay, you click on this one, and then you are going to paste that link, that contract address again by clicking on this place. You are going to paste it, and you can see that the name has appeared, the symbol and the decimal. Okay, then you click on import. That's simple. but I'm not going to do this because I have done it already. So that's how you can keep making money with this. So we are going to check how much we are going to get for this 2095. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is to type $2 multiplied by 2095. Okay, and this will give me $4,190. Okay, that's $4,190, and I say that I will keep claiming this particular coin till the launch day. Okay, and you can see that I have been doing that since that until now. So you can see the amount that I'm going to have, and I haven't spent up to $150 on this token. And if eventually this token give us or abide by their promise of listing, okay, we are going to get this $4,190. So the reason why we keep doing all those things is for us to prepare ourselves for bull run and prepare ourselves for the Xmas. You can see that if I have this money right now just like that, you can see that this Xmas is going to stew. Do you understand? Because if I can just spend this money for Xmas, it's a lot of money for my local currency. Okay, so we are going to acquire or buy into other pre-sale. We are going to do a lot of things, because I give you update that will help you to grow your financial. So I'm going to drop that update that I ask you guys to go and download Phantom. That's the update that I drop in the channel yesterday and in our WhatsApp group. I say that everybody should go and download Phantom on Play Store. Okay, and a lot of people have done that. The reason why I'm doing this video is to inform you, my subscribers, so that you will also go and get it. And after getting the, you need to do is just to click on done in the comment below. Click on done in the comment below, so that I'm going to expose something to you. Okay, I'm going to expose some secret that you will never see in this YouTube channel. You can never see those ones, because those people that know it will charge you $1,000 in order to teach you. So this is the reason why you should follow my update. Okay, follow my update, because it's going to stew very soon. So I think I will drop it here. If you don't know how to convert or how to buy BNB in order to participate here, you can equally DM me. Okay, there are some people that I help to buy BNB. Okay, and they use it to fund their wallet and all that. You can still DM me, and I will help you to this wealth journey. So guys, I'm going to see you guys at the top. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, join our WhatsApp group, join our Telegram channel, and also give me a sweet comment. Okay, give me a sweet comment. I'm going to see you in that next video, where I'm going to talk about this Phantom. Okay, I'm going to talk about that wallet. Go and get that wallet. Okay, get it ready, so that we are going to strike. We are going to do what? Strike. Bye bye.